Welcome to Mineset, our easy-to-use web-based predictive analytics application. In this video, I'll give you an introduction to the basic usage of Mineset, starting with a demonstration of how to upload data. Once logged into Mineset, you're presented with the opening page where previously loaded datasets are on the left, and a new dataset can be added by selecting it from the operating system. I'll start by loading a dataset containing information about a set of cars, their miles per gallon, horsepowers, and other features. Once I verify the column names and data types seen in this preview are correct, I can proceed to the Data Overview tab. Here, I can examine the data. Notice that the columns are listed on the left. On the right, I can see the spreadsheet of my table. And in the middle panel, I'm being alerted about some outliers and given the ability to process my data further by adding and removing columns, filtering, sampling, and eventually creating predictions based on machine learning models that Mineset can create. Now we will move into the Explore tab to start analyzing. These buttons present a set of choices by providing visual options to see the statistics, which show the data distribution for each column, or otherwise plot, chart, and map the data using various mechanisms such as bubble plots, heat maps, bar charts, and geomaps for the United States and world countries. Mineset also offers data mining algorithms which have been turned into visualizations for better understanding. These two of them require a target column, and there are two more general ones which look for patterns in the data without respect to a particular feature. In addition, Mineset offers a way to look into which other columns are best at predicting the values of a target. Say I want to see what features of a car are best at predicting gas mileage. I would simply drag the MPG column into this field and observe the results. This visualization is telling me that the best predictor is the engine size. I can get more details and see that indeed, the highest MPG is among the cars with the smallest engines. The other features of a car, such as horsepower and brand, all add some ability to predict the fuel efficiency. Now that I've learned what is important in predicting MPG, I can use this as a springboard to other visualizations by selecting one of the choices on the right, say parallel coordinates. This visualization plots each record of my dataset as a line that crosses the axis, representing columns at the value for that data point, thus allowing me to drill down into the details. For example, if I wanted to see which are the cars with high miles per gallon, I would select the range here in the legend and quickly see that those cars are characterized by low cubic inches, horsepower, and weight. Individual records can be seen by pulling up the tray showing the selected data. Thanks for watching. Please visit our website for additional information and more videos on individual features.